Lesson 48, understanding complex fractions.
Wait, what about fractions? Here's your answer.
So I'm just gonna teach this with examples instead of writing out a bunch of words. So if we have 3/5 plus 1/10 all divided by 4 plus 3/8. In order to simplify this, we have to simplify the numerator and the denominator, and then we can divide. So in the numerator, we have to get a common denominator, and we can use tens. We have 6/10 plus 1/10 is 7/10. So in the numerator, we have 7/10. In the denominator, to get a common denominator, we can use 8. So we have 32/8 plus 3/8, which is equal to 35/8. Now, if you can think of this division bar as a dividing sign, we can multiply, actually you don't even have to do that. We can multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator in both the numerator and the denominator. The denominator goes to 1, which is super convenient. And then we can just multiply these together by simplifying first, because that's how I like to do things. So it's 4/25.
Wait, weren't you supposed to add first?
I did. So 6/10 plus 1/10 is 7/10. 32/8 plus 3/8 is 35/8. So we already added.
Okay, where did you get the two things?
Which two things? These, wait, what? So I got, yeah, you could do that or just multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. Because this 35/8 times 8/35 is just over 1. It's just 1. So then I did this. So it's to keep it, change it, flip it, but this is actually the reason why we do that.
Okay, sorry.
So I'm glad in the practice that they did the least common multiple using variables, because you're going to have to do that quite a bit. So in the numerator, we need a common denominator, which is going to be AB. So 3 needs to be times by B so that we don't change the value of this fraction. And the numerator here needs to have an A in it. So this is 3B plus A divided by A times B. And then we need a common denominator here, so we can use A squared, get 4A squared divided by A squared minus 2 divided by A squared. And we subtract these two. 4A squared minus 2, I'm going to take out a 2 just so I can factor. So we have 2A squared minus 1 divided by A squared. Then I'm going to multiply the numerator by the reciprocal of the denominator. Well, I'm actually going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by that. That'll go to 1. Cancel that A, 1A. So I have 3B plus A times A, all divided by 2B parentheses 2A squared minus 1.
Wait.
And we cannot simplify anymore. Yes, Tan.
Okay, so do I have to pull those things out?
I don't know what you mean.
A and 2B. Or can I just have 3AB plus A squared over 4A squared B minus 2B?
2B. That's fine.
That's okay?
Yeah. The only reason why I pull things out like this is I want to double check, make sure I can't cancel anything. That's the only reason why I factor like that.
Okay, and so if you're going to pull them all the way apart, isn't the 2A a squared minus 1 a difference of squares?
It is, except that 2 is not a perfect square. So I don't really want to factor it into
2
square
isn't.
root of
Yeah.
2a,
Okay, yeah.
or
Sorry.
a square root 2 minus 1 plus 1, yeah.
Brain fart.
Okay, so that's all for the notes, but we're going to do practice for understanding.